Gentlemen, I use this term very lightly in this joint. What do we got, Scotty? I mean, when we're taking this stuff out, it's just... You okay?
Yeah.
That's a little warm, eh?
See the mark?
Oh, yeah.
Where it's rubbed all the way through to the...
Yeah, on the blue one there.
Yep.
Let me zoom in. Enhance. Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Nice stuff. Great.
So...
I'm glad that's coming out.
Yeah. So I have Xander's help today, which is really cool.
Yay, Xander's helping.
Which makes it a little bit easier for me. But we're going to start ripping this out a little bit at a time to make sure we have everything taken care of and that we can put all the new stuff in and make it look just as good. That's basically the goal.
Okay, so the fans are going to come out first. Yep. Got to get both fans out. We're going to pull the condenser here. We're going to unbolt it. We're not going to undo it because we don't want to let the refrigerant out. Ooh, damn. That went flying there, Scott.
Yeah.
Could have shot the cat.
Does anybody know where my 916s are? All my deep sockets?
1 second.
I sold them on Amazon.
Like my half drive's missing, my 3/8 drive's missing, my quarter drive's missing.
I told you I sold them.
Well, bring them back. I got work to do.
All right.
And I'm tired of working at the corner.
Hey, Daddy needs a new watch. That's all you got to know.
When you worked the corner, you came back and said you had $12.50, and I said, "What cheap ass gave me 50 cents?" You said, "Everyone."
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, all right. So, Snippy, you boys got this.
Yep.
Do it.
And here we are under the COE. Got some rusty bolts to deal with. And we also noticed that it's been smacking into the radiator. So we're going to have to try and find a way to brace that a little bit better. But I'm not quite sure how we're approaching all of this. So we've got another cut wire here, another cut wire here. So yeah, we're just having a blast this morning with wires. But we'll get it set. It's what we do. All right, guys, this one's going to be short because I don't like being on my back like this. All right, one.
All right, so we got the key on. The boys have been digging in here. I want to just check, make sure this is our constant hot. Gotta pull out the rubber.
Say hi, Xander.
Hi.
Right.
He's our new helper for today.
Xander, hold that up so Scotty can see. Go and ground that. 12.3.
Yep, so we got constant hot, which is good. Let's put our rubber back on it and make it safe.
Ribbed for your pleasure.
Woohoo!
Okay, now we need, the key is on. Boys
and girls.
Easy there, Barney. Okay, the key is on, right?
Yep,
yes.
Key is on.
Okay, so we need to see what our constant.
Well, here, if you do this, you can shove it in one of the absolutely horrendous connections.
Oh, yeah. That was pretty damn bad. Okay, we need to see if this is a keyed hot. I got 4/10 of a little. There we go.
Yep, told you.
That's keyed. All right,
yeah.
So that's our key.
Xander's done great. I mean, we're absolutely ecstatic.
Hey, Gary. All right, so it's keyed. It's just crappy ground. Okay,
yeah.
So there's our keyed, our trigger. So we have a keyed and a constant. So when we wire in our fan controller, we know what we're gonna have. All right. So let's continue taking this down and out, boys.
Yep. Okay, and on that note, what do we say?
Deuces.
Boys and girls, here we go. Around the COE, we finally have all the wiring and everything out, all the bracketry, the whole 9 yards. So now I'm gonna try and crawl underneath again real quick. So now you can see where that bracket and nut and bolt were smacking into the radiator. So we did a... Sorry guys, I'm not doing the best today. The humidity's messing with my MS. Okay, so We have our keyed power. We have our constant power. So we'll probably be draining the system soon and figuring out how we're going to put the new radiator in, because the new radiator is absolutely mammoth. So we will go from there. But okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll keep you updated.